Hey there, ever come across Microsoft Sentinel? As a senior cloud architect, let me walk you through a comprehensive guide that can really amplify how your IT organization leverages Sentinel for enhanced security management. Remember, it's never too late to dive deeper into tech that safeguards businesses against threats, so let's master Microsoft Sentinel together. Starting with understanding why it's essential, in our digital era where data breaches are not only common but highly damaging, Sentinel stands tall as a beacon of security vigilance. Employing a robust set of tools and protocols designed for security information and event management, as well as security orchestrated automated responses, Sentinel enables organizations to sift through noise and pinpoint genuine threats, thereby mitigating risks quickly and efficiently. To begin, we must appreciate the foundation it's built on. At its core, Microsoft Sentinel thrives on Microsoft 365's threat intelligence, coupled with threat management capabilities that integrate seamlessly with Azure's infrastructure. Imagine it as a sophisticated command center, equipped with advanced machine learning capabilities to detect and investigate threats, analyze patterns, and automate responses. This is what Microsoft Sentinel offers. It's a holistic solution that doesn't just monitor security alerts but takes proactive steps toward protecting what matters most: your organization's vital data. When peering into the technical architecture of Microsoft Sentinel, we see how it's all orchestrated around the Azure platform. With a unified approach to protect your organization, Microsoft Sentinel utilizes Azure services for threat intelligence, which helps in identifying and categorizing the risks. It brings together log data from various sources and streamlines the process of finding and addressing security issues. Think of Sentinel as a central hub, where all the intelligence feeds from Azure, your business intelligence, and other external data sources converge into a single pane of glass, all of which can be visualized and analyzed to gain a complete picture of your organization's cyber health. Let's take a deeper dive into the implementation architecture. Designing Sentinel for an organization involves setting up an environment that not just identifies threats but also prioritizes and automates incident response workflows. It's like setting up an intelligent, watchful guard who not only notices the disturbance but reacts without delay. As a cloud architect, you'd map out this architecture, ensuring it aligns with Azure's flexible resource management, scaling as per the traffic and threat severity. The architecture is designed to evolve, enhancing its intelligence as the threat landscape changes. Moving on to best practices, here's where being meticulous with Sentinel goes beyond. You'd need to set up guardrails, define what is considered an intrusion, what constitutes normal behavior, and what should trigger immediate response. It's about crafting policies that are both robust and nimble, allowing your team to react just in time without being flooded with trivial alerts. For advanced troubleshooting, Microsoft Sentinel's integrated threat intelligence from Microsoft and other trusted partnerships provides a rich backchannel for understanding the nature of an attack in real time. It's like having a sage in your corner, decoding complex cyber footprints. Sentinel's correlation engine analyzes various log data sources, pinpointing inconsistencies or red flags. This is where troubleshooting techniques come into play. By utilizing automated playbooks and playbooks integrated with Azure's AI capabilities, you can script and refine responses, making the troubleshooting process not just faster but also more accurate. Now, envision the future of Microsoft Sentinel. With an ever-expanding universe of interconnected sources, Sentinel is set to become even more predictive. As we speak, enhancements are underway, such as integrating global threat data and incorporating AI models that anticipate and learn from attack patterns, making Microsoft Sentinel not just a shield but a prescient safeguard. Crafting a narrative around data, security, and strategy, Microsoft Sentinel isn't just another tool, it's your fortress against the invisible cyber frontiers. As it evolves, its capability to safeguard assets, manage risks, and enforce security policies becomes more akin to a digital steward than a mere tool, a trusted guardian of enterprise security. So in wrapping up, while Sentinel already offers an impressive suite of security intelligence for Azure, GCP, and AWS, remember this: a fortress stands strongest when its keeper is well-versed. That's where you come in, as a senior cloud architect with a penchant for protective technologies and an articulate voice for industry dialogues. If you are ready to elevate your IT security posture or seek guidance on Microsoft Sentinel, check out more depth at neeraj.qzz.io. Here's to fostering a safer digital landscape through knowledge, expertise, and shared insights. As always, for the cutting edge in technical discussions, don't forget to subscribe, where we decode modern tech for the layman and the professional alike to comprehend and navigate the digital expanse with confidence. So, subscribe to TechLab, and let's journey into a well-informed and fortified tech world together.